Hey Spline Gang, welcome back. Connor here. Here are 3 super fast spline tricks and tips I wish I knew sooner, part 2. Number 1, model libraries. You can download free and paid 3D models to import and use in your spline projects at all the sites listed here and many more. My favorites are TurboSquid and CG Trader. I will leave the list in the description below. I got everything I used to make this room, all of these funky plants, these crazy sofas and chairs, and these awesome cars on these sites. These cars would be perfect for Spline's game building tools if I could figure out how to make them drive forward and not backward. I'll leave that up to you. Number 2, paths and tunnels. Make a tunnel for a ball to travel through using 3D paths. Make a 3D path, ensuring each point is lower than the one before it. Turn up the corner ratios for smoother turns, and then turn up the ring setting here. This will open up a center of your circular path. Create a sphere that fits inside this ring, then turn on physics for the project and set the ball to dynamic. Add a glass layer to your path, and then turn down the opacity and blur 50% to observe the ball's journey through the tunnel. Try it out and adjust any problems. This is a great tool to use for games, interactive web designs, and even making Rube Goldberg machines. Possibilities are endless. I made this basketball piece with this technique. Number 3, the Polycam app. You can get high-res LiDAR scans to use in Spline on the Polycam cell phone app. I got this one of a graffiti-covered pool at FDR skatepark, this climbing gym, an awesome southwestern cavern, and lots more from other users on the app. Download the Polycam app on your phone and try the free pro trial for 3 days. Explore or search other scans or make your own. Save them to an album, then hit the down arrow and airdrop the FBX file to your computer. Then simply import them to Spline and treat it like any other object. You can even animate them and do anything else you normally would in Spline. I made this awesome piece with objects, lightings, and transitions using the Spline tool. That's it for today. I hope these helped. Like and subscribe for more awesome Spline tutorials. Subscribers can request videos anytime they want. Download the Spline files from this video for free from my Gumroad with the link in the description. I hope to see you back for part 3 of Spline tricks and tips. Take it easy.